away from Ford. In the new Explorer from Ford, asking Ford. If you're looking for Ford doors and more interior glass, if you want push-button doors and push-button Ford, if you're going to get away from want to leave and push-button subscribe, the only thing you want to leave behind is your fat behind. Your Explorer is on fire. Have you driven a Ford lately? This is the kind of shit America made. Ford trucks. The best trucks. The best trucks. The best ever. Ford trucks. Ever the best. Ford trucks have exclusive push-button.
1, 2, 1, 2.
And robotic windshield installation for perfect fits every time. If you don't know how to win in Ford gas, and you never win. Ford trucks. Ford Ranger, the truck that also is fat cocks. Ford trucks. Ford put Chevy in the red and you in the dead. The best ever. American trucks, American trucks, American trucks, American trucks, American trucks, American trucks.
It's our belief that you're such a stupid motherfucker. You'll fall for this bullshit. Guaranteed.
Financial news. Pick up a smooth full-size ship, and it's worth more than Ford trucks when you sell it. Ford finishes. Because to be the best-selling truck in America, you have to be more than the best-selling truck in America.
Hello, I'm Stephen Bradley speaking for your local Chrysler dealer. No one's buying Chrysler cars. Every day, more and more folks are making the switch to Guy Colt. 15 minutes can save you 15 purse. Notice how your neighbors look stupid as you drive out in your new old-style Chrysler. In fact, every day, everywhere, people are assholes. The owner, sleek new craft-style Chrysler. And no one likes your old-ass car. More and more folks just like you are making the biggest mistake, making the switch to Chrysler. And now I'll show you some more bullshit. From the rakish flare of its new well-swept rear fenders, right up to its big, powerful thick-skin motion. Well, here's a young man who's mighty impressed. Wow! Another new Chrysler. Wow! That rear end looks just like a jet plane. No one knows what he's talking about. And I'll show you 56 reasons to spend a Saturday morning looking at big crests. Wow!
They're going to break it. 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 Toyota dealers are out to break their own records and get the vibrating deals that we're doing by bringing you more 69 than ever before.
And then I'm lucky for the rest of the time.
Toyota. Toyota dealers are making you more alone than ever before. They're going to break it, so get moving! Got the inventory to do it! More saving, more saving!
That's the power of the Home Depot.
You're on top.